protests against the changes that have been brought to the farm bill are increasing in the state of Tamil Nadu, and today 8 pro-Tamil groups have come together and they were protesting outside Shastri Bhavan. That is kind of like an institution where there are several central government institutions are there, offices are there. Currently are being arrested by the cops for trying to burn the farm bill copy as well. These 8 pro groups include May 17 movement, Periyar, Thandai Periyar like institutions and such. All are claiming that the changes that have been brought to the farm bill will only help in corporatizing the farm sector. Many people in this area claim, in fact, that the cadres were stating that this is against of the farmers, and that's the reason they are currently protesting at the spot. Police are present in a large number at this area, and they have tried to amicably make sure that there is no untoward incident, because this is a very important junction, and that's the reason a large number of police presence was also there. In fact, these are in one port action is that they brought the farm bill copy and they have also burnt it, trying to show their opposition to the bills, and very clearly they are mentioning that these 3 changes that have been brought to the farm bill will actually only lead to hoarding of essential items, that also certain items that have been removed, not in the interest of the citizens of the nation or the farmers as well, and that's why this protest was held over here. In fact, the opposition parties are currently rallying, and they are going to hold a protest on 28th of September against the changes that have been brought to the farm bill, and they claim that this is essential, and the Tamil Nadu government, which is the AIADMK, is on one side supporting it, and they are requesting that that support should be withdrawn. Several organizations in Tamil Nadu are also stating that the farm bill is against the interest of the farmers and no such support should be provided by the organization. That also we can see over here. For now, police are present, and they have detained almost 100 cadres from the various pro-Tamil groups who are present in the location, and traffic has only once again been open in this spot. Several more organizations are also planning to conduct protests against the farm bills, and more are also being seen. In fact, as another development, what exactly happened is that one MP from AIADMK, SR Balasubramaniam, he actually questioned the various attributes of the bill by starting itself with what is the urgency to actually pass the bill in Rajya Sabha in such a manner. So for that, when this question was raised against with the Chief Minister, who actually is supporting the bill, and he is calling it as farmer-friendly bill, the Chief Minister has mentioned that a separate explanation will be sought from the MP, and even now after the protest, several police are also present at this location to make sure no untoward incident occurs. Nearly 8 pro-Tamil participated in this protest in Chennai. Nearly 100 people were protesting. Of course, it's unfortunate that during a pandemic situation, such protests has occurred. We could not find any kind of social distancing as well. But the protest, the claim was a way of for them to show that the farm bill is against the interests of the farmers, and they want to register